Subscribe to Bootstrap Session if you haven't, and in this video we are going to search recursively in Thunar File Manager. Okay, so if I press Ctrl F here and search for X, it will only list the files right here itself, not inside these folders. Okay, so for that we have to just do some of the installations like this. Catfish, we have to install this Catfish from the terminal. Just find your Linux distribution and install accordingly. So I am using Arch Linux, so I am just going to execute this command in the terminal here. Just execute this command here and press enter. And now it's saying that you have to download half MB of files. Just pass Y and press enter. And we have successfully installed the Catfish. Okay. Now you have to customize the shortcut here. Alright. So in the Thunar File Manager, go to the edit, click on configure custom actions, and here click on the plus sign and just enter these values inside here. So after entering these values, you can assign a custom shortcut to it, keyboard shortcut. Just type Ctrl F in the keyboard. Okay, we have this shortcut here and click on OK. So we have this shortcut right here. Close it from here. So now if you want to search inside this folder, you just have to select it. Okay, then click on File and you can see this option here, open with Catfish file search. So it will open up here, the Catfish file search, and here you can just type, let me show you that I have these files that are starting with dot and the underscore. I have a lot of files in there. You can see these are of no use for me and I want to delete all these files. So what I am going to do is just search for dot and the underscore. Okay, and I'm just going to press enter in the keyboard. Now it is searching all the files inside this folder right here. Okay, and it is saying that no files are found. It is because in Linux every file starting from the dot is a hidden file. So you have to just change the settings, click on the settings icon and click on show hidden files, and you can see all the files are there. And if you want to match the result exactly, you can just click on this fourth option. Okay, you can just click on sidebar to where you want to search. Okay, and I'm just going to delete all these files. As I want to delete all these files, I cannot use Ctrl A to select all of them. I just have to drag and select all the files. Okay, so now I have selected all the files by dragging. Okay, and inside this folder you can see these files. These will be deleted as soon as I right click and click on delete and delete. Now you can see that these files have been deleted, right, with the pattern starting from the dot and the underscore. You can see they all have gone. So we have the clean EFI folder. Okay, so this way you can search recursively inside Thunar File Manager. So please subscribe to Bootstrap Session, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.